This is TCL 505, and today I'll show how you can copy contacts from SIM card to the device internal storage on this phone. So in the beginning, you will need to find and launch the Contacts app. Next, open the Fix and Manage section here. Tap at the Manage SIM. Select the SIM card you would like to, copy or move contacts from. Press OK, then select what contacts you would like to, transfer or copy. Then tap at the Import button, and your contacts will be, automatically imported into your device storage this way. Or if you'll have your Google account signed in, you will have an option to you'll be asked to select where you would like to move those contacts to, either to your device storage or memory or just device or your Google account. Obviously, you would like to, or you will need to select the device storage, device memory. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.